what made you decide that you wanted to get your real estate license? 16 years ago, you said 18 years ago?
Yeah. Um, because what happened was that when I was with the orchestra, we always used to negotiate every 3 years a new contract, which included a new benefit for pension benefit. They froze that forever, like 18 years ago. And I thought,
Okay.
wow, I've got to get something else going here. And I used to take care of my dad's 6-flat apartment building, drain the boilers and do all that kind of stuff. So I was, kind of familiar with that. And my realtors thought I would be good at it. So I decided to try it and I thought it'd be really exciting to retire for one thing and have a whole new career to go to. So you get up and you shower up and you get some, instead of sitting around watching, the baseball games or how people do and they look old when they're 50. I mean, just go through the obits. You can see it, in the newspaper.
So here's a question, which I think is interesting. So you went from music and studying sheet music and being totally autonomous to now real estate, which is really customer service based. Right. How was that jump for you?
Yeah, it's different, and I like it because it is different, because I feel like I'm actually dealing with the real world, contractors or banks and stuff, and I love classical music. I still go to the orchestra, even though I'm not a member anymore, and all that's great, but sometimes it doesn't have to do with like reality of everyday people. And okay. I just love working with clients and making them happy. I mean, that's my whole thing.